most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Hi, everybody. Well, all of a sudden, we've got a lot to talk about, and we're going to try to break it down for you here in the next few minutes. We've got Hershey this morning looking good, but it is humid. The temperature of 69 degrees and a dew point of 69 with clear skies. We do expect the majority of today to be dry and sunny, but it's this evening and then overnight where it's going to start to rain, and it may not stop until Saturday night. So if that is the case, then all of a sudden we go from drought concerns to flooding concerns, just like that. Mother Nature loves a balance, and it may be sending it to us here this week. So we've got clear skies this morning. I expect a nice sunrise as those storms across northern Pennsylvania exit to our east. Temperatures are in the 70s just about everywhere, and in fact, close to 80 in Philly, and Baltimore is at 80, 79 in Harrisburg, 78 in York. So it's very warm. Dew points are elevated as well. The humidity today is going to fuel these juicy thunderstorms. They're going to be encountering a very ripe environment. So I think the main threat from any storms later today is going to be heavy rain. 92 was the high yesterday. We should be right back there today at 92 or 93 degrees. No rain yesterday, but we still have a surplus now from some of the storms we had last week, and we do expect more rain this week that could put us well into a surplus going into the end of August, which is not a bad thing considering that it has been a dry summer. As we look at Manheim Central High School, highs today getting back into the 90s, and this could be the last time we see 90-degree heat for a while. I think many of you will say good riddance. It has been a hot summer, and it is going to continue to be humid, however, because what we have, and this has been the trickiest part of the forecast, we've got a front that's sagging south from the Great Lakes, and that front is going to be the focal point for storms here tonight. And that's why we expect heavy rain likely from this evening right through tonight. But it's really how this front is going to interact with Debby. That's the tricky part of the forecast. And right now it does look like instead of steering Debby away from us, it's actually going to pull Debby northward. And we're going to get some rain from this now and possibly some significant rain. So most of today will be dry and sunny. This afternoon there could be a pop-up storm. But I think most of the activity will be along the front after 6 p.m. That's when things start to get active with some thunderstorms, some heavy rain potential. We will continue to see some downpours through the night, and then tomorrow now looks wet. The front is going to stall out, giving us the opportunity for scattered showers and downpours throughout the day. And then we start to get into the outer bands of Debby's moisture as early as Thursday. And there will be scattered showers around on Thursday. It's not going to rain the whole day, but there will be showers around. And then Friday, that's when the brunt of the moisture comes in from Debby through Saturday. Okay, so let's focus on today first. And we do have a severe weather risk across most of Pennsylvania back through Ohio for heavy rain, damaging winds, and yes, even a few brief tornadoes possible with some of these storms. I personally think heavy rain is going to be the main threat. When we run out the models, it does show that there are places that could see over an inch of rain from the storms here tonight. When we let this play out, though, Wednesday and Thursday, we could be talking about between 1 and 2 inches of rain here over the next 3 days. Now that's good. It spreads it out a little bit, and that certainly helps everybody with the drought. But then we have to focus on Debby. So what's the latest with that? Well, we go down and we check it out. It is now a tropical storm, winds at 45 miles an hour. The main threat with Debby right now, too, also is the heavy rain pounding the coastal Carolinas because Debby's slowing down. It's not moving because of the front that's bringing us some storms. So we can see just how slow this track is going to be. It's going to meander here Wednesday night, and eventually move inland and then start its track due north toward us by Thursday night. That's when we tap into some of these outer bands. So watch what happens here. This is Thursday. Again, scattered showers out ahead of it. But watch this now. Friday, we start to get right into the guts of Debby. Friday's going to be a rainy day. That's going to last into Saturday. And finally, by Saturday, late in the day, Debby pushes away. And then some really nice weather here. Temperatures around 80 degrees, lots of sunshine, low humidity. Watch the dew points. It's going to stay rather humid here until Debby leaves us behind on Saturday. Then the humidity drops. We've got some really nice weather behind Debby. But I do want to point out, as we move into the weekend here, what we've got, just 1 to 2 inches of rain through Thursday. But we could add to that, of course, from Debby. We could be talking about 4 to 6 inches of rain this week with Debby. So here's the forecast. You can see it's going to be humid the next couple of days. Now, we do cool down into the 70s, but the weekend we're going to be watching very closely. So we don't expect major flooding, of course, but it will be a drought buster. Streams and creeks are going to be on the rise, and it is something that we will have to be concerned about given the amount of rain that could fall. So how about that?
Too much of a good thing.
It could be, so we'll keep you posted.
Thank you, Brett. We'll be right back.